Good morning, everyone. This video is on ALAB. And one of the things that I've heard from people is that all the videos that I have out there are for stocks that have already moved. So let's break the mold on that and let's talk about ALAB here. As you can see, this stock is red on the year, red on the quarter, red on the month. Now, in order for these three time frames to flip back to green and back up, we have to get above 130.27. Now, the reason why it's 130.27 is if you look at the big picture here, and let me just draw this out here because I know we have a lot of new people here to the channel. You can see how all these right here have an O on the time frame that I'm on. That's the open. So anytime we get above 130.27 right there, that's when this candle turns from red to green. Now it's also going to be the same for the year, the quarter, and the month because these have not decoupled yet. They have not separated because they're in the first month of the year. So these three candles still are going to move together. Unlike the week, we're already on our third candle. And if you look at this, we are set up possibly to go 222 rev back up next week. Or we could continue and go 323. It cannot be a 1 anymore. So the only option that you have is that this has to be a 2 or a 3. Now, one of the things that I like about this stock in particular is that we had this beautiful run back up through here, and then we kind of rested through here. And so the question is, do we reverse and run back up to previous high, or do we continue to go lower? I like the run, rest, run action. So let's get back to the chart here. And what does that look like? Well, as some of you know, I like to draw previous low right here. So that right there was a previous low for me because it's the lowest point below the 10 moving average, the first one, and then this one is the second one. That right there has established what I call support, what I believe to be support. There's a million ways to draw support resistance. Develop one that you like, use it, and don't change it. That's one of the secrets about trading. Every time you do it the same way if you have found a way that has helped you have an edge in the market. Stop chasing everything. Now, this right here would be previous high. That's the first one, and this is the second one. And when you look at it as a whole, that is what it looks like. There is a white line right there. You guys can see that. And that's how I trade this. Now, the nice thing about this is that you can see that once we took out this previous low right here, we took out this one. And then the moment we did that, look, buyers stepped in and they closed this as a hammer. So we want to know today if we go above 124 because this could give us a possible trade back up. If we get that, we will get the 222 rev back up. I love to trade reversals because if we get this signal right here, we could go all the way back up to here or here. Now, will it happen? I don't know. That's the way I'm going to draw it up. And then if it happens, it happens. I cannot predict the future. I will say that again. I cannot predict the future. All these setups, you have to wait patiently and let them play out and be willing to accept the outcome if you're wrong. That's it. That's the secret to trading. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video.